So after a long wait, it has been actually been officially announced by Kaizer Chiefs available with Fernando da Cruz as the coach. And I know what about a couple of days there was a confusion about that Manchester United legend striker, what is there were talks, wada blah blah blah. After all the journalists have actually said which like Fernando da Cruz is actually the coach of Kaizer Chiefs. So yeah, it is not a Roma anymore. It is not into like some research and stuff. It is officially. And yeah, man, but to witness Fernando da Cruz type of football, I wonder how his philosophy will be like. And the thing is that he's supposed to actually get like better results because it can be actually be downgrading from what you have done by the previous season. I know you didn't get a trophy available, but on the log table, it's supposed to do better because like for the past I think 10 years before, yeah, for the past 10 years available, so finish up 50-80. Ngalesi lose league vele last day available of the season, and then the previous season I think we finished on 57 points. So it made for him at this point with like Mamelodi Sundowns and Orlando Pirates. If he go top three, at least he must get to 60 points available, and this means it will be it will be more competitive for him. And I'm expecting ukuthi ahlale available for the longest time because now this thing with slow chop and change available, it is actually taking us 3 steps backwards when you're going 2 steps forward available. And yeah, man, sibonge things are finally here, and let's see for the upcoming season what is actually happening because for life.